In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms in Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log in to your Monday.com account. To do this, head over to the Monday.com website and enter your credentials to access your main dashboard. This is your starting point where you can manage your projects and teams. Once you're logged in, look over to the left sidebar. Here you'll see a plus icon. Click on that to open the Creation menu. This is where you'll explore various options to enhance your workspace. After that, you'll need to select the Form option. From the list of tools that appear, locate and click on Form. This is where the magic starts, as you're about to create a form tailored to your specific needs. When you're in the Form section, the platform may offer AI-assisted templates to help you kickstart your project. You can browse through these templates and select a category that fits your needs, such as a feedback survey form. This will save you time and ensure that you're on the right path as you create your form. Now, it's time to see your form in action. Click on the Generate Preview button. This action will provide you with a draft of how your form will look. It's essential to visualize the structure before you finalize anything, so take a moment to assess how the form appears. After reviewing the draft, if you're satisfied with the AI-generated format, go ahead and click on Confirm. This step locks in your initial setup, giving you a solid foundation for your form. But don't worry, you can still customize it further. Tailor the form to match your specific preferences. You might want to tweak the questions to guide your audience better. Additionally, feel free to change the layout and even add any unique fields necessary to collect the precise information you're looking for. This customization is key to ensuring that your responses are relevant and useful. Once your form is all set up and tailored to your liking, it's time to share it with others. Look for the Share Form button and click on it. This will prompt you to select the option to copy link. This feature allows you to get the direct URL for your form easily. Now that you have your link, it's time to distribute it. Paste the copied link into emails, messages, or even on your website. This is where you start gathering valuable data, so make sure to share it widely with your target audience. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared a form in Monday.com. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your workflow with Monday.com.